Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Remove the P0 Phillips head screw that secures the M.2 Solid State Drive to the system board, and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the M.2 Solid State Drive by its edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the M.2 Solid State Drive with the key in the drive slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the M.2 Solid State Drive into its slot on the system board. Press the M.2 Solid State Drive down and continue to hold it down while replacing the P0 Phillips head screw that secures it to the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.